Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Nahim. I'm here to show you the Scout 380 LXF. This particular boat was ordered with quad Verado 350 horsepower with the joystick. This boat will run over 63 miles an hour, pretty quick boat. This boat was ordered with the Scout Shark Gray hull color. Great combination with the black engines, gives it a nice attitude. Come on board. If you notice here, we have a full walkthrough here. That's a trait on all Scout boats, so you don't lose this transom space. If you notice here, we have a nice forward-facing seat, 2 live wells. Let's look over here. Here's our beach door that sets a lot of the Scout boats apart. We call it a beach door, so if you're at the sandbar, it's just a great option on the 38, 42, and 53 Scout. If you notice here, this is a nice convertible kitchen bar with a grill, and then it converts into a rear-facing seat. Pretty neat option. Right here we have the convertible rod holders, so when we extend our shade, the rod holders, the rocket launchers come down automatically. Fresh water, raw water. Follow me. This boat was ordered with a triple Garmin, 16-inch screens, bow thruster, joystick, zip wake, automatic trim system, triple seating. Let's go towards the bow. Nice, comfortable forward lounge with a nice shape to the seating. This is the Grigio gray interior, matches well with the shark gray hull color. We got a radio control right there, extra cup holders. If you notice, standard is the JL Audio sound system. This particular boat came with a JL Audio stereo upgrade. Come on down in the cabin. Here, follow me. The 38 LXF has a separate head. Nice stand-up head with a shower. Your 5 rod holder for your nice fishing gear. This turns into a bed, and we have a table with a television. Here we have our control panel, little microwave, sink, refrigerator. Nice setup, just for a nice day trip. Here we have extra storage here. We have dual fish boxes in either side with macerator, and this boat does come equipped with the Seakeeper, which is a great option. So for those of you that go offshore. Well, thank you. Please come visit us at MarineMax Miami, or you can call me at 786-327-9175, and have a good day.